Finally, it's time for Roman Reigns versus CM Punk World Heavyweight Championship match. The Tribal Chief Roman Reigns making his epic entrance here on Monday Night Raw for his World Heavyweight Championship match against the best in the world, CM Punk. After a long time, Roman Reigns is wrestling a match here on Raw. The Tribal Chief is all set to become the new world champion tonight on Raw. But will Roman Reigns succeed in his plan tonight? Let's find out, because there is a challenge for him, and CM Punk is standing between Roman Reigns and the World Heavyweight Championship. If Roman defeats Punk tonight, he will become the new World Heavyweight Champion. Roman Reigns once defeated and pinned CM Punk 12 years ago when he faced Punk in a singles match on Raw. But will Roman Reigns able to do it again? Let's find out here on Wrestling Phenomena. CM Punk is very angry and wants to destroy Roman Reigns tonight in this matchup. It's clobbering time for the best in the world and his fans. Punk with a kick, and now Reigns with a right hand stuns the best in the world. Clothesline by Reigns. Another clothesline sends Punk outside. CM Punk rocked, and now Reigns smashes his head into the apron's edge. And now Punk counters, smashes Roman Reigns' head into the steel post, and now Reigns punishing Punk with the punches. Again sends Punk at ringside. Roman Reigns clearing the announcer's table, and now smashes Punk with a prime bottle. Another shot. Right hand by Reigns. Another right hand. Do subscribe to Wrestling Phenomena for more interesting wrestling content like this. Punk roars, and now Reigns caught him. Super Samoan drop by the Tribal Chief. Roman Reigns is ready, locked and loaded for the Superman punch. Punk counters into a neckbreaker, stuns Reigns.
I want to see the Pepsi.
And now, look at Roman Reigns. It's a knee strike from the best in the world. Another knee strike. Roman Reigns got rocked by Punk. And now the best in the world with a body slam to Reigns. And a Superman punch by Roman Reigns. Cover. Kick out by Punk. The World Heavyweight Champion and his challenger, both are in so much pain, but they're fighting through the pain. And Roman Reigns ready to end CM Punk's title reign, but no, Punk counters with a kick. And now Punk. Reigns fighting Punk. Not let Punk hit the GTS. And now the Tribal Chief with a right hand. The best in the world with one off by himself. And now both men going back and forth with the punches. And now Punk got the lead. And now Punk. Rock bottom. Kick out by Reigns. CM Punk got shot.
Set in like second row.
And now the Anaconda voice by the best in the world. Roman Reigns is screaming with pain, but there is no one to save him from CM Punk's painful submission. Tribal Chief has to win this at any cost, because CM Punk disrespected his father. GTS by Punk. Cover. Kick out by the Tribal Chief. Roman Reigns fighting through the pain against the best in the world, CM Punk. First, the Tribal Chief survived against the Anaconda Voice, the most dangerous submission move of CM Punk. And then Roman Reigns survived the GTS. Reigns dragging himself at the ringside. And CM Punk sends him back inside the ring. Roman Reigns may be in big trouble at this very moment. CM Punk again going to put Reigns down with a GTS, but no, Roman Reigns this time at ringside. Power bomb. CM Punk got destroyed by the OTC, the original Tribal Chief. And now Reigns sends Punk back inside the ring. And now the Tribal Chief is feeling it. Tribal Chief is ready to retire CM Punk tonight. Roman Reigns is ready to defeat CM Punk tonight. Roman Reigns is ready to become the new World Heavyweight Champion. And now puts CM Punk into the guillotine shock. Will CM Punk tap out or he pass out? One thing may happen. Oh, CM Punk may give up here. Roman Reigns using his full strength to choke CM Punk out. Oh, Punk counters. Punk counters. Reigns takes out. And now Punk again going for the Anaconda Voice. Oh my God. Roman Reigns may be in big trouble. The Tribal Chief in big trouble. Oh no, Paul Heyman. Paul Heyman, the Doraemon, the Joker. The wise man is here. And he gave a chair to CM Punk. Paul Heyman telling CM Punk, you can't defeat Roman Reigns. Oh, CM Punk kissed Paul Heyman. They are the secret lovers maybe. Look at Heyman. Look at Heyman. Bang! Oh my God! Paul Heyman just crushed the balls of CM Punk. And now telling sorry for the pain. CM Punk is not even a dad. And Paul Heyman just broke the balls and the rocket of CM Punk. And now Paul Heyman. Look at Paul Heyman. Will he attack Roman Reigns? No. Paul Heyman. Oh, Paul Heyman telling his Tribal Chief, please, 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 my Tribal Chief, can we come together again? And now Roman Reigns with a steel chair is smashing CM Punk. Paul Heyman helped Roman Reigns tonight. Paul Heyman, the betrayal artist. Oh no, 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 no. Paul Heyman also broke the balls of Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns in so much pain. A Superman bust of CM Punk. Covered by the referee. CM Punk lost the match. Roman Reigns is your new World Heavyweight Champion. Roman Reigns did it, and now the Braun Breaker wants revenge from CM Punk. And now the Dog eats a knee strike from the best in the world. CM Punk is ready to end Braun Breaker here. The Dog eats a GTS from the best in the world. Covered by CM Punk. And just like that, CM Punk defeated the Dog Braun Breaker. Oh no. The masked man. Look at Paul Heyman, the Joker. Look at Paul Heyman, the Doraemon. Paul Heyman, the wise man, the advocate. From behind, Seth Rollins smashes this bald fraud Paul Heyman. And now the visionary, the revolutionary, the architect is ready to destroy. The betrayal artist Paul Heyman. Paul Heyman betrayed Seth Rollins once before Seth gave him the warning, if you ever try to betray me, I'll stomp your head, and Seth Rollins did it. Do subscribe to Wrestling Phenomena.